Hey everyone! So I just discovered something that's going to blow your mind. You know how making sales videos usually costs a fortune? Like we're talking thousands of dollars for editors, voiceover artists, and weeks of back and forth changes? Well, what if I told you there's now an AI that does all of that for you in just minutes? I'm talking about VSL Studio, and it's honestly a game changer. So here's the deal. VSL Studio is like having an entire video production team inside your computer. This AI literally writes your sales script for you. It builds the whole sales structure. It creates all the visuals and animations. And get this, it even makes professional voiceovers that sound totally human. The crazy part? It does all this based on proven marketing frameworks that actually convert. So you're not just getting a pretty video. You're getting one that's designed to make sales. I used to spend weeks going back and forth with editors, paying thousands for voiceover talent, waiting forever for revisions. Now, I just tell the AI what I'm selling, and boom, professional sales video ready to go. Here's something you can try right now. Think about that product or service you've been wanting to promote but haven't because video seemed too expensive or complicated. Maybe you're a coach who wants to sell your course. Or you have a local business that needs better marketing videos. Instead of putting it off for another month, you could literally have a professional sales video done today. That's the power we're talking about here. No more excuses about not having the budget or skills. Look, I've been in affiliate marketing for over 10 years. I've seen a lot of tools come and go. But VSL Studio? This is different. This is the kind of tech that changes everything. If you're serious about growing your business and tired of expensive video production, you need to check this out. I'm putting the link in the description below. Trust me, your future self will thank you for getting ahead of this curve. Don't wait until everyone else figures this out. Hit that link below. Check out VSL Studio. And let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're planning to make. And hey, if this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more marketing gold like this.